Ever wondered how jet engines make planes fly? It's like a giant air vacuum and fire blaster combined. First, air rushes in through the front. Then it gets squeezed super tight, mixed with fuel, and boom, it explodes. That blast shoots out the back, pushing the plane forward. Fast air in, fiery power out, and that's jet power in action.